Hello, food lovers!
We are the Hairy Vikings.
Is there any other kind, Si?
I don't think so, Dave. Now, today we're going to be cooking a traditional Viking winter stew.
Now, food can be in very short supply in a Scandinavian winter, so this recipe is really quite simple.
Aye, you just get all the veggies and fresh meat you can lay your hands on, and you chucks it in your cauldron. And then, if you find any more, you just bung that in too.
Oh, now this stew's been on the go for about a month or so, and meat's been in there longer than he's been growing his beard.
There's a bit of goose in there, lovely. There's hair in there.
Oh, it must be molting.
No, I mean hair as in the big rabbit.
Oh, tasty, yes.
By the looks of things, I think we got a bit of walrus in there as well.
Oh, I love a bit of walrus.
Love a bit of walrus.
Love a bit of
walrus. Now, Dave, what else can we add in there?
I'll tell you what we got, Si. Here we are. A seagull.
Oh.
Nice and easy to catch, and surprisingly, very tasty.
Lovely. What else have we got, Dave?
Well, that's it. I mean, it's winter, so there's not much around.
Well, that won't keep a couple of hairy Vikings like us going. I mean, I could eat a horse.
So could I.
No, really, I could eat a horse.
What? What, you mean like dobbin? How dobbin?
Well, needs must, Dave. Dobbin's past it. It's winter. Into the potty goes.
Well, why don't we just put that polar bear in instead?
What polar bear?
The one that's caught the scent of the stew. Oh, next week we'll be catching and cooking a whale.
We're gonna need a bigger pot.
It's thought that the shortage of food at home forced the Vikings to invade other countries, and Saxon King Ethelred the Unready had real trouble keeping them out of England.
Horrible Histories.